Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell in the title, I'm going to be doing the July 2021 base box from Boxycharm. I have it right here, and from what I see, I was looking kind of at the box to kind of see what I'm going to have to do my makeup or not. So I got a lot of skincare, so it's going to be mostly skincare. I think I only have like two beauty products. It's gonna be like a brow and like a sponge, but I really wanted to try it out. That's why I am like barefaced today. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. If you guys don't know, Boxycharm, it is a subscription box that you get monthly, and this one is a base box, so this one is going to be $25 a month. We also have the premium box and the luxe box. I'm going to be leaving a link down below if you guys want to check it out. It is an affiliate link, so if you guys check it out through there, I will be receiving a little bit of commission off that, and that would help me out a lot. You guys are not forced to use it, but I just wanted to leave it down there for you guys if you guys are interested. So let me just go ahead and open this box. It's gonna be like a quick video. It's not gonna be like a crazy video. It's gonna be really fast, you guys, so don't worry. We have the first product. It is going to be the Pharmacy Whipped Green Oil Free Foaming Cleanser. This is an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. This is actually $28. That's already like, you pay $25 for this, and this is already $28, which was cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, but I will be trying this out like in my kitchen because my brother's showering right now, so I don't have the restroom for myself. So we're gonna try it out in the kitchen and see how that goes. Okay, so it looks like this, a box, you guys can tell. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see how that goes. It is like this. So it says basically to wet your face, so that's what I'm going to do. Maybe I should be putting something on my bangs, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh, it feels so fresh. It's so hot here in LA that I'm literally can't. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this goes. Oh, you have to open the inside of it. You guys, this feels really nice right now on my face. So we're gonna go ahead and open that, squeeze it in. You guys, ooh, it's kind of like grainy. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's kind of not too grainy, but you can see like there's like somewhat of a texture going on. So we're gonna go ahead and, oh, it does have fragrance. What does this smell like? I can't even, kind of smells like lemon, but I don't know. Lemony, I don't know what it smells like, but it looks really nice on the skin. It feels really nice on the skin. I'm gonna just wash the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face now. Okay. I got a little bit on my eye, so just beware. Try not to get it on your eye. Okay, so I am back, and do you guys see how my face looks? It looks really, I like the way actually my skin feels. It feels super clean. I mean, it does feel a little bit tight. And I also do want to say, you just have to be careful not to get it in your eyes because it is like kind of fragrance. So if you are like not into fragrance, I wouldn't recommend this if you have sensitive skin, just in case, you know, just saying. But I do like the way it feels on my skin. It feels, right now my skin feels like a little tight with hydrating stuff. You know, it's gonna be okay. So far that is what it is. This Gen Skin. This is going to be a marine algae. I see algae. I cannot talk. Algae is straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. So this is actually $50. $50. I was not expecting that, to be honest. I actually want to be into like eye patches because I do have like really puffy eyes. So this is going to be cool. So it looks like this. You take it out and look at this. And I guess there's like a bunch of them inside. It comes with a little stick that you can take out. Oh, I was not expecting this. Okay. And then we're going to, I guess there's like a little plastic. We're gonna lift this plastic up. Oh wow. Okay. So I guess this is the first one. We're gonna go ahead and try to apply it on my eye. Ooh. Oh, this feels so nice. Oh wow. Oh, it's a little ripped. It's okay. Oh, this feels really nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and try it. It's a little ripped. I don't know. Just ignore that. And we're gonna get the other one. I don't know if there's like a right way to do it. I'm assuming you just apply it. Is it like this or like that? I think it is like this. Oh yeah. No one bother me. It's a little wonky. I think it does kind of slide down, so you're better off like laying down. But this is really nice. Instructions, I didn't even read them. So it says directions: use the enclosed mini spatula to lift and separate each patch. Apply to clean, dry under eye area. Repeat on the other eye. Approximately wait 10 to 15 minutes. Gently peel off patches. Lightly massage the remaining serum into the skin and around the under eye for maximum results. So we're gonna leave that in for a couple minutes. This thing just slides down. It came off, but ignore that. But it looks like this so far. Now we're gonna go ahead and try out the other product that I have here. While we wait for that, this is going to be the Dermilect Cosmetic Tools, whatever. It is going to be a outer crease retinol serum. It says that it is successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated encapsulated delivery system. This is going to be $39. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm assuming you apply it on your like skin, dry skin. So it looks like this. And we're gonna just go ahead and apply it. It's literally falling down, you guys. Why I'm talking. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna go ahead and apply this onto the rest of my face. See how that goes. Just gonna kind of put it all over. Make sure to get it on the nose. I don't like the fact that it just kind of glides down. I wish it could just stick to my skin and not move. It makes my skin feel super soft and nice. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my neck as well. So I'm gonna give that like 15 minutes for the under eyes and everything. But so far I actually like this product. I don't have a lot of like sun damage. I think my mom has a lot of sun damage just because, you know, age. But it just feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good, and I appreciate that. So just wanted to let you guys know so far it is good. Always don't forget the neck, and I like that one. I like that one a lot. So my skin is actually feeling really, really nice right now, which I appreciate. I feel like I needed that. Like I really did. I've been working really hard this week. I was at a vendor, like a pop-up shop with my brand Yadiko, and honestly, like it was overwhelming, you know, and I still had to work at night, so it was a lot. So I'm just tired and I'm just ready to move on to the next product. So the next product, it is going to be this brow product right here. This is the makeup product that I was talking about. This is going to be the $1 Billion Brows on Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, brows. This brow on, I can't even read, I'm so tired. It says this brows on point micro brow pencil will help you get to the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and can create hair-like strokes for natural looking eyebrows. This is going to be $16. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I don't know why it says taupe, because I mean, I think of taupe and I think of like blondish hair, light blonde hair, light brown hair. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out, how that goes. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of do some swatches here. Oh, I think I ripped the tip. But do you see how it looks dark? Like, it doesn't even look that, like, light. And you can really do really thin lines with this and really thick ones. So, I mean, that is good. I like that. So, just want to show you guys this. Should I try it on my brows for a bit? I think I'm going to try it on. Oh, yeah, I like that. Do you see how nice that looks? That looks really nice. And you could really create those hair-like strokes. My brow without the product and then with it. So, I actually really, really like this. This is really nice. With the next product, which is the last product, it is going to be these makeup sponges. So these are actually really, really cute. I'm not going to be applying makeup on today because I need to give my face the rest. But we're going to be reading a little bit more about this. These are M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge Set, a collection of 4 super soft, latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotches, foundation lines, or creasing. And this is $20. So I think this set is $20. That's actually not bad. That means that like $5 per sponge, and it's really, really cute. I actually wish they had like those little faces on the sponges because it's just the packaging. But we're gonna go ahead and open it and see how the sponge feels. Honestly, if you ask me what kind of fan I am, I'm not really a big fan of these kind of sponges. I'm more like either this one has like a little bit of a cut and it's also flat. And then we also have this one right here, and it's like a flat edge right over here. And we also have the basic egg going on. And I actually really, really like this. I don't really use sponges lately, and I don't know how I feel about these, but these are actually really, really cute, and they give me kind of Easter vibes. Really, really cute. So you guys, that is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of this Boxycharm box. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm box. I got the base one. Thank you, Boxycharm, for sending it over again. But I actually wanted some makeup, to be honest. I actually like playing with the makeup. I only got like the brow pencil, and I don't really, to be honest, don't really care for the sponges as much. I mean, I have some sponges here and I have not used them. So, I mean, it is what it is. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What are you guys' thoughts on the Boxycharm? What do you guys get it? Have you guys gotten it? And if you guys are interested, remember there is a link down below if you guys want to check it out. Again, it is an affiliate link, so if you guys do subscribe through that link, I will be getting a little bit of commission off that. Obviously, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm just offering it down there. It helps me out a lot. And that is it, you guys. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, make sure you guys are following me there. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notifications to know when I post another new video. And make sure you guys check out my other videos. I actually have more makeup content there and tutorials and reviews. Anything you guys are interested, I have some stuff there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.